Hey, it's Christy Z from Zeal Studio and Zeal Vintage on Etsy. Thank you so much for joining me today. I've got my coffee. I hope you have one because we may need it. Before I get to what we're doing, please, if you like this video, don't forget to hit subscribe. And yeah, I really appreciate your support. I'm new here on YouTube, and so far I'm totally enjoying not only all the fashion stuff I'm getting down in my own closet, but just connecting with you guys and saying hello. So if you're enjoying the videos, leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Okay, so today, yesterday I did the shop your own closet video, and what I realized was my closet is freaking messy. Like, it's a mess. It's crazy in there. It was embarrassing because I'm like, yeah, I shouldn't have that messy of a closet. So what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna see if I can just, through basic organization and a little bit of labor intensive process, see if I can like organize my closet in a way where it doesn't look like this. 'Cause, like, I mean, okay, there's some basic categories, but rhyme or reason. So what I think I'm gonna do, and like, I don't have any hard and fast rules. I don't really like rules. And so I know a lot of people have certain rules. I just say, like, know what your goal is for if you're organizing. For me personally, I think what I'm gonna do is organize by color, and hopefully that'll work. I think it'll look better. Right now I have it organized like dresses, skirts, tops, kind of by category. And as you can see, the lack of organization there. I mean, it just visually, to me, it's really squishy. I can't find stuff. I need to get in there. So let's copy it up and get in there. All right. Just a little more coffee. All right, let's do this. I'm kind of scared, but I'm also hopeful that we will get a good result just by doing a little organizing. And I'm going to see how this color thing works. I'm going to just rearrange some stuff, and yeah, we'll see how this goes. All right. I eat glitter for breakfast. Okay, I thrifted this shirt actually on my last thrifting. Let me just here. On my last thrifting trip, and yeah, for the birthday thrift. So this was like the perfect organization shirt. My super old jeans, which I have to wear a long shirt because they have like a big rip in the butt. Are you ready for this? All right, let's do it. Let's do it to it. All right, I'm gonna start with colors and we'll see how that goes. Lightest to darkest, I think. All right, so starting with whites. And I'm not even gonna put these in categories. Like I said, I think what I'll do is just do it by color and see how that looks. And hopefully it doesn't take me too long. Okay, this one has 2 hangers on it. That is silly. It's just silliness. There's silliness going on in the closet already. All right, maybe I'll have a little more coffee. I think this is going to be a little more challenging than I expected, but I think the results will be worth it because fall is coming and I need to, know what's in there. Okay, this is really cute, by the way. This is like a transparent kind of ruffle with a bow tie blouse. which is super cute for layering in winter. This is a good thing that's kind of like a summer thing that you can wear in fall just by layering it. Probably, I've had this for quite some time. Yeah, it does need a little TLC, as I can see. But if you are layering it, maybe, you know, that's not going to show. So we're going to put that over by the white. And I'm just going to continue organizing by color. And then there's always that thing where you're like, if you have something that's black and white, does it go in black or does it go in white? We're gonna have to figure that one out. Okay, now that I've got the colors coordinated and organized on the mid-rack, now what I have to do is work on the upper area and the lower. So I'm going to start with the upper area and organize this by item and color, I guess, and we'll see how that goes. Yeah, it's a lot of jeans and a few accessories and some hats and a few sweaters. So I'm gonna find a way to make that look a lot better somehow. And I don't even have shoes in there because my shoes are mostly downstairs on the main level. So luckily I don't have to accommodate them, but it would be kind of nice to have some of my shoes, especially like really pretty ones up there. So I'm gonna see what I can do in like maybe half an hour, 15, 20 minutes. And yeah, hopefully I can get this bad boy organized. Alright, so I think with just a couple hours of organization, I feel really good about what I could accomplish. I organized here by color, starting from light to dark, and obviously the dark side is, yeah, a little on the larger proportion than the colored side, but hey, at least I do have some color in there. And I just reorganized the top area, and the bottom I just left it for now because, you know, but I think, yeah, I've definitely accomplished quite a bit just by applying some basic organizing. I still have the sides of the closet because, like, in the sides there's other shelving for tank tops and vests and shirts and sweaters, so I'll probably just leave that for another day. But thanks so much for joining me, and I hope you got some good tips and enjoyed helping me organize my closet. Let me know what you think. I know there's still a lot of work to be done. So thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And stay safe, be well.